Hi, in this video I am going to see how to download a YouTube video by using Python. Um, in this tutorial we are going to use three different libraries as shown here. Especially we are using Beautiful Soup for web scraping, Py to download the YouTube videos and extracting the URL of it, downloading URL of the YouTube videos. Uh, Here, if you just imported these libraries, uh, you can use. First you need, for example, if I want download this video, I just need to copy this URL and then actually paste it here. I just did it before. And then you can clearly see it is the object regarding this URL is assigned to YT. If you want to see the title of the URL, you can clearly see the title here. Now actually in this video it has multiple streams. It has multiple different streams, and as in this belongs to this video, you need to except all the streams. You have to see all the streams. You can clearly see you have to see the multiple stream with different resolutions and different tag IDs like this. But our main concern is this its resolutions, because you can see this 720p is stream 0 and 360p is a stream 1. It's actually added into the list. Okay, so what we need is we just need the highest resolution. If you prefer the lowest resolution, you can go for stream another lowest streams. Okay, you can see this stream 0, it's the highest resolutions. Okay, so this is the highest resolution because it's a 720p. We also need to know what's the size of the video, because you can clearly see it's a 331 MB. To make it to normalize it for MP, I just divided for stream.file file size into 110 power 6, because this y dot stream but all this function this will returns here stream object. The stream object has many information, especially file size and resolution and like that. You can play with it if you want, but just my concern is what's the exact size of this stream. Okay, now my concern is now I need to download this exact file, but this 31 MB file need to be downloaded. That's stream.download function is do this for you. Just if you run it, it will take some time to download this file. This download function has if you want to download it in different folder, actually by default it download it in your working directory, but if you want to download it in different folder, you can just simply add it as a string as a path. Okay, you have to add your path as a string in this function. Just you can see this file is downloaded. So the 31 MB file is downloaded. Okay, so it's this will work for a single file. For example, this single video can be downloaded with this. If you want to download the whatever, if you want to download the entire playlist, that means you need the entire thing. We just downloaded it with just a single URL. Okay, we just downloaded the single copy and pasted a single URL and just we downloaded this URL. Okay, so if you want to download the entire playlist, that means you need the entire URL of the entire playlist, right? Here you can have different playlists. Yeah, likely 70 plus, I think. Videos. Okay, so these videos we need to extract those URLs from this playlist link. So okay, So you just need to copy this for this we have it in a function. We have a function here, this get playlist links. This will do this for you. Okay, just if you just give the URL, it will extract the source code of the URL. Okay, using the beautiful soup, as I have discussed before, using the beautiful soup is a most versatile tool to extract any information from your web pages. Okay, so first you need to get the source code. From the source code uh, we need to extract this links, especially you can see here as especially this slash watch, this question mark you can see here as, right? You have to extract those links which starts with this. Okay, so it's simply it will returns the entire list of entire list of this playlist videos. Okay, if you run this, it will just return entire list of playlist into the link. You can see totally it has it's like 100 videos. Okay, so I just going to list only first 10. Okay, if you want to list 10 to 20 whatever, you can clearly see, you can see the different videos. Now the thing is, if you want to download the entire this entire playlist or the list of videos which you are interested in, that means you need to run it through some loop. Okay, so that's this code actually does it for you. It's really got what it does is just get the similar to the previous codes. It just get the YouTube object as a YouTube YT, and just print its title and get all the streams and all the streams, and then it's only get the first stream and get the file size and it will download. Okay, so I'll just comment it just to list all the files. I have just listed 0 to 10. That means it only download the first. What if you want to download the one 10 to 20? That also you can do. You can clearly see it will take such time sometimes. Okay, so yeah, it start listing its video which you are mentioned. In case if your option is discrete, for example, you want to download the video 10 and video 12, video 13 or like that, it's not in a continuous manner. If your area of interest is in discrete, that means you can simply, instead of range, you can replace with a list contain all the information. For example, it's a list, you can write like this, so 13, 15 or 67. Okay, so just instead of for loop you can just replace it as list. Okay, it will only download these 3 videos. Okay, so it's up to your interest. Okay, it's just completed its you can clearly see it's total 10. For this 10 videos it takes I have 118 MB of size. Okay, so once you concluded this total size, you can just uncomment this stream, and then just you will download the entire video. So I'm not going to do this because I left it all the fun for you. Here, if you there's another way you can also download. The stream also has some with the stream you can also get the URL of the stream. For example, it will list the last URL, stream.url. It will get the exact URL of the your desired video. Okay, so it will copy it, and if you open it, you can clearly see Okay, you can clearly see it's a complete it's a FTP. You can download it through any FTP protocols. Okay, so yeah, once you get the URL, that means you can also download it with any other downloading libraries. Okay, you can request also can able to download any given URLs. Okay, it actually it needs a exact URL, web content URL to download it. Okay, so for example, here I just from the request I get the resource, and from the source I just open and write it in a file name called bit.mp4. So okay, what it has some advantage because it with request we can download it as a chunks. Okay, I just download it as 1024 um, byte size of chunks. Okay, it's not as a continuous entire. Instead of downloading the entire file, it just download the only the as a chunks, different chunks, 1024 bytes, 1024 bytes, 24 every time it runs. So okay, you can run this. Okay, so it takes some time. So in case if you want to monitor the entire process, okay, how much percentage is downloading through the process, if the file size is too big, that means you can also add this code. Just this code what it does is just um, check the size of the bytes. First you need to get the entire file size. From this you just reducing the file size as it's downloaded. Okay, it should just print the percentage of uh, file completion. Here its file is actually downloaded, you can see. So you can also just copy this entire URL and paste it into any download manager which you are using, and that also will work. Or also you can just right click and save as using the any browser you are using. That will also work. This ipython notebook is available in our GitHub account along with our other tutorials.